Try it again. Let me know when everyone's here. Let me know when people are here. Let's see, he's got the top loads. What's up, C? How's it going, C? Alright. How's everybody doing? Welcome to my first annual Super Bowl mixer. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope they're having a good Thursday. Hope they're having a good Thursday. We're gonna get started in a minute. Right. Divisions. There's 6 box, 8 hit mixer. What do we want to start with? The blaster, the mega boxes, or the jersey, or the onyxes, or the onyx. What's up, Justin? We'll start with the blaster. Fine. How's everybody doing? Alright. Good luck, everybody. We'll start with the Absolute Blaster. We'll start with the Absolute Blaster. Empty. Good. Because this is my setup. I don't have a camera. I use my iPad. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Cornell Powell, AFC West. Oh, I got you. Yeah, the tripod I tried to use didn't work. So this was a Cornell Powell. AFC West, going to Tyler. Elijah Vera Tucker, rookie for the AFC East. AFC East, going to Charles. Levi, NFC North, going to Matt. Rookie. Unsung Heroes, Jair Alexander, NFC North. Joe Burrow, AFC North. A.J. Brown, AFC South. Kyler Murray, Randall Cobb, and Kid Reporter. Kyler Murray is NFC West. And Randall Cobb is AFC South. Okay. More All right, here we go. Tommy Tremble, rookie, AFC South. Or NFC South. Amir Smith-Marset, rookie, NFC South. Or NFC North. Jared Patterson. That's not Jared Patterson, that's Samus Reyes. So that's an air card, that's NFC East. That guy, NFC South. NFC South. Stargazing, Ezekiel Elliott, Ryan Tannehill, AFC South. Philip Lindsay, that's going to the Texans, AFC South. Jonathan Taylor, AFC South. NFC East, Kadarius Toney, AFC East. Larry Roundtree, rookie, AFC West. Trey Sermon, NFC West. NFC West. NFC West. Alright. Red Zone, Josh Allen. AFC East. Taysom Hill. NFC South. David Montgomery. NFC North. Deebo Samuel. NFC West. Teddy Bridgewater. AFC West. As you can see, that's going to the Broncos. Kid Reporter. Anthony Schwartz, rookie. AFC North. Shi Smith, NFC South. Patrick Surtain and Trevor Lawrence. There you go. Trevor Lawrence. Going to Bryce. Going to Bryce. There you go, Bryce. There you go, Bryce. Alright. Oh, we got a hit. Cam Newton, green foil, AFC East. Joe Mixon, AFC North. Patrick Mahomes, AFC West. TJ Hawkinson, North. Elijah Moore, rookie, AFC East. Brevin Jordan, AFC South, rookie. Oh, here's a nice one. Going to the West. Going to the West. And Tyler, Justin Herbert, Ball Hogs. There you go, Tyler. Nice little patch. Relic. There you go. There you go, my man. Boss Hogs. Or Ball Hogs. By Storm Kyle Pitts. Let's leave that one up. J.J. Watt. It's not numbered, no. AFC or NFC West. Darren Waller, AFC West. Hunter Henry, East. Russell Wilson, West. Kid Reporter. Daz Newsome, rookie. That's going to the North. Semi Fihoko, East. Greg Newsome, rookie. And Christian Barrymore, East. Alright. Jared Patterson, green foil, East. DJ Moore, South. Derrick Henry, South. Brandon Cooks, South. Caleb Farley, South. Rookie. Here's another good one. Zach Wilson, rookie. Going to the East in Charles. JOK, rookie, South. Or North. Devonta Smith, introductions. That's another good one. We'll just leave that one up. Higgins, Hill. Higgins is the North. Hill is the West. Jones is the North. And Bosa is the West. Kid Reporter. Javonte Williams, West. Seth Williams, West. Michael Carter, East. Frank Darby, South. Derek Carr, West. Josh Jacobs, West. Jonnu Smith, East. And DK Metcalf, West. Alright, that goes for that. Alright. Alright. NFC East. There you go, Glenn. That's a thick. Zach Wilson. And then the Kyle Pitts by Storm. NFC South. All right. Let's do an Onyx. Alright, one little pack in here, as you can see, empty. Then we'll open this one. Then we'll get some stuff out of the way. And there's our 2 packs, empty. Alright, we'll move some Cards over some stacks. So I got a little more maneuvering room. All right. Oh. Gee. There we go. All right. M.E.G.A. I believe that is going to the Titans. Then we'll do this. Okay. All right. So, oh. J.C. Horn, M.E.G.A. Okay. J.C. Horn is the South for the NFC. M.E.G.A. And now our autos. Who is it? Jared Goldwire. Let me look him up. Jared Goldwire. Hang on a second. Jared Goldwire. He is a Charger. He is a Charger. There you go. There you go, Tyler. There you go, Tyler. And nice one here. Quiddy Pay going to the Colts. AFC South. AFC South. And Bryce. Alright. And M.E.G.A. is the Titans. Oh. Alright. No, we got a redemption. We got a redemption. Okay. Darius Washington, Giants. So we'll do this. Pinnasul for the Lions, and that's the North. That's just the Giants. This is okay. This is the Giants. So there's your first auto. Chuba Hubbard going to the South. Nice auto. NFC South going to Charles. There you go. Charles in a redemption. Yes. So you got to mail it in. You have to mail it in. And that's going to the... That's going to Owusu Caramello. That's the Browns. So that's AFC North. That's Christopher Sanders. So Christopher, you got to mail that in to that address. You got to mail this card. You got to physically mail this card in, and they'll give you your. And they'll give you your thingy. They'll give you your card. So, congrats on the redemption. Congrats. You gotta physically mail it in, and you gotta contact and all that. So, yeah. Congrats on that. And Darius Washington is Giants. So that's NFC East. All right. Alright, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta do some. Alright, I'm back. Alright. Let's do the illusions. Jeez. There we go. Alright. Get our packs. An empty box. Alright. It was a Wusu Caramella. Jeremiah Wusu Caramella. He has to mail this card in, right? He has to mail the card physically in, right? Alright. Good luck, everyone. Cam Akers. NFC West. NFC West. Okay. Mystique. Now what's Mystique going to the Ravens? Yeah, have to mail it in. Yep, thought so. Mystique going to the AFC North. That's Rashad Bateman. That's Rashad Bateman. That's like the exclusive something. It's black. Brett Favre, King of Cards, going to the NFC North. We have Antonio Gibson going to the East. Terrence Marshall going to the South. NFC South. Going to the NFC North, and who closed it? Whoever closed it got the North. I think we got a patch, so. All right. All right. All right. Dwayne Eskridge, West. Semi Fihoko, East. Dak Prescott. That's like the blue. Blue, we'll leave that one up. Rashad Bateman, rookie for the North. Derek Carr, West. Russell Wilson, West. And Stardust Purple of Josh Jacobs. Josh Jacobs on the Stardust, or whatever you call these, going to the West. So pretty cool there. That's a pretty cool one. Next one up is a M.E.G.A, going to the AFC South. And Davis Mills. And Rice. M.E.G.A insert. Pretty cool. Michael Carter, rookie. Tim Tebow. South. East. And Dak Prescott going to the East. Oof. Alright. Justin Jefferson, North. North. Oh. Justin Fields, we'll leave that one up. Going to the North. Nico Collins, rookie, blue. Dark blue, rookie. What's up, Alan? Kellen Mond, rookie. Tom Brady. Dak Prescott. East. Oops. What we got here? What's this? This is a case hit. Jameson Crowder going to the East. Not sure what these are called, but pretty. Checkerboard or something. Stars. Pretty cool in there. Clear shots of Trey from the Bay going to my man Hooch. There you go, Hooch. There you go, Hooch. What's up, Chris? Got a Mac Jones, rookie. There you go, Charles. I know that. Isn't there multiple? Alright. Sutton. West. Nico Collins, rookie. Oh, damn. How about this? There you go, AFC North. There you go, Sanders. Got great expectations. Jamar Chase. Alright, man. No worries. How about that one? Sanders. Nice one there. Illusionists. Zach Wilson on the Daniel Jones, East. Robinson, North. Moore, East. No, that's East. Sean Taylor, East. Sean Taylor on the blue. I need this card, Glenn. Let me know, Glenn. DJ Moore and Pat Fryermuth. Right, that does it for that Let me sleeve some of these up. Yeah, man. Looking forward to it, hopefully. Nice illusionists. Glenn, if you're here, let's talk about that Taylor. And nice Justin Fields to close it out. Taylor. Brady. Now. North. No. Hang on a second. Now we got our kaboom. Now we got our kabooms. Kaboom hunt. Alright. Let me clean some of this up. Alright. Alright. Oh, my bad. It's not numbered. Sorry. You get both in here. It's not numbered. It's just a cool looking card. Alright, man. Appreciate you. Thanks, dude. Working on that rainbow. If you have any Taylor Illusions cards, if you have any Taylor rain cards for Illusions, boom. Empty. What's up, Bryce? Alright, here we go. Oh, that's probably our thick card. Oh, that might be too. I don't know. Four. Oops. Alright. Aaron Jones going to the north. Nick Bosa going to the south. I mean west. Sure, jeez. DJ Moore going to the south. Derrick Henry going to the south. Nope. Hold on a sec. South, going to Rob Gronkowski. Elijah Moore, red foil, going to the east. Kwity Paye, rookie. Kwity Paye, south. Justin Fields, rookie, going to the north. Trevon Moehrig, rookie, west. Palmer and Kibber Porter. Palmer is going to the west. We'll sleeve up this Justin Fields. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Cooks, south. Cooks. Yes, Cooks was south, yep. J.J. Watt, west. I think that's their auto. Travis Etienne, south. Pete Warner, south. Jacob Harris, west. Brandon Stevens, north. Adafe Owe, rookie, north. Alright, and Zeke on the red foil, east. Going to the Jets. Elijah Vera Tucker. Going to the Jets. Charles Crum. Pretty cool there. Oops. Going to AFC East. Going to the Jets. Hey, I mean, it could be worse. It could have been worse. And ETN. West. I mean, he's a good lineman. One second, guys. I got a text. Hold on. Alright, we're good. Alright. Randall Cobb, south. Kyler Murray, west. Josh Jacobs, west. Jonnu Smith, east. Michael Pittman, red foil, south. Christian Barrymore, red foil, east. Diami Brown, rookie, east. Trey McKitty, rookie, west. Kenneth Gainwell, east. Sage Surratt, Lions, North. Base or DK Metcalf, West. T. Higgins, North. AFC North. Alright, well, that's the hit there. Put that down. Alright. Michael Thomas, South. Chris Godwin, South. Jalen Phillips, East. Travis Etienne, rookie. Jamar Jefferson, rookie. North. East. And Tyreek Hill, North. West. And our hit, rookie force, going to NFC West. Hooch. All right. Well, let's go do our jersey, and then I'll do a recap. Nice little break. Let's go do our jersey. I ripped it open. Okay. Let's see who we got. All right. We ready? What do we got? What we got? Oh. Alright. Not sure who this guy is. Let me look him up first. Let me look him up first. Oh, okay, so he is pretty good. Alright, this is going to the NFC West. Mr. I don't know if you guys can. This is Mr. Arden Key. He currently plays for the San Francisco 49ers. So that's going to Mr. Hooch. And that's his PC team. There you go, Hooch. There's the JSA. There's his auto. And there's the JSA. That's pretty cool. This is his LSU. Key. So there's the jersey, and let's go over the hits. They're pretty cool there. All right. Sean Taylor blue. Dak blue. Davis Mills Mystique. Josh Jacobs Snow, I guess. This is a Jeremiah Owusu Caramella Redemption. Chris, if you're still watching, you have to mail this card in to get the card. You have to mail this specific card with all your information filled out. So you have to mail this card into this address. and all that. So, King of Cards, Brett Favre, Sean Bateman, Mystique, Quiddy Pay, Auto, Chuba Hubbard, Jared Goldwire, that's going to the Chargers, Zach Wilson, Devontae Smith, Justin Herbert, Ball Hogs, Rondale Moore, rookie force, Elijah Vera Tucker, rookie, Justin Fields, rookie, Nico Collins, blue rookie, Justin Fields, rookie, Jamar Chase, Great Expectations, Illusionists, Zach Wilson, Mac Jones, Trey Lance clear shots, Jamison Crowder, I'm not sure what that is, Kyle Pitts, and Trevor Lawrence. Appreciate it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for the support as always, and I'll catch you all next time. Thanks again, and hopefully you enjoy your Super Bowl. And thanks, Glenn, for the card. If you haven't paid yet, please do. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks.